Welcome, operations executives and procurement directors, to this explainer. Today, we're taking a highly authoritative, data-driven look at one of the absolute most critical challenges in mechanical manufacturing, solving throughput bottlenecks. Look, if your facility is dealing with high-hardness materials, you already know that efficiency isn't just a nice-to-have goal. It's literally the fundamental metric of your survival and profitability. So in this explainer, we're going to look closely at how Evergreen Precision Machining provides a true enterprise-grade solution to this exact problem.
Here is our roadmap for today. We'll cover the finishing stage bottleneck, the dual material breakthrough, the business efficiency case, lean supply chain assurance, and finally, strategic partnership.
Part 1. The finishing stage bottleneck, the secondary process.
Okay, let's dive right into this. How much operational throughput is your facility actually losing to excessive secondary finishing processes? Think about it for a second. Because for most mechanical manufacturing enterprises, non-value-added manual rework and those seemingly endless finishing stages act as the ultimate drain on factory productivity. When you're dealing with high-hardness machining, inefficiencies just compound. A poorly machined edge or a compromised surface finish means secondary polishing, deburring, and manual inspection. It's like a giant bottleneck. These extra steps completely kill your production throughput, they bloat your labor costs, and worse, they introduce unacceptable variances in your final product quality. It's a massive executive pain point.
Part 2. The dual material breakthrough, advanced carbide and PCBN.
So, to actually eliminate those bottlenecks, we have to look at material science, specifically Evergreen's combined advanced carbide and PCBN, that's polycrystalline cubic boron nitride solutions. Let's anchor our claims in hard data here. Look at this number, 1,300 degrees Celsius. That is the extreme cutting temperature stability that Evergreen's PCBN tools can withstand. When you're machining hardened steel, the heat generation at the tool and workpiece interface is just immense. Standard inserts fail, they deform, or they just wear out rapidly under those conditions, forcing machine stops and tool changes. But PCBN? It maintains flawless stability even at 1,300 degrees, meaning your machines keep running at optimal speeds without compromising the tool's integrity.
And this brilliantly illustrates the technical foundation behind all of this. That extreme heat stability enables the flawless machining of highly rigid materials. We're talking about machining hardened steels ranging from HRC 50 all the way to 60. So things like carbon tool steels, ball bearing steels, and die tool steels. It also covers powder metallurgy, various cast irons, and high-temperature alloys like nickel, cobalt, or iron-based metals. By leveraging this specific level of material science, you aren't just cutting hard metals, you're doing it with unprecedented predictability.
Part 3. The business and efficiency case, efficiency parameters. Now, technical specifications only matter if they drive bottom-line business impact, right? So let's command the data. These high-efficiency machining parameters show us exactly how Evergreen tools translate into actual operational throughput gains. Notice the parameters for gray cast iron. Evergreen's tools allow for high-efficiency finishing at cutting speeds up to a staggering 1,200 meters per minute, with a feed rate of 0.3. That's incredibly fast. Even for hardened steel over HRC 55, you can achieve finish machining at 150 meters per minute. By integrating rough and finish machining capabilities directly into these high-performance parameters, you are drastically reducing cycle times. You're getting parts off the machine faster, directly enhancing your total factory operational efficiency.
And this brilliantly illustrates another major efficiency driver, customization and dimensional stability. Evergreen offers highly customized polycrystalline diamond, or PCD, tools and precision non-standard inserts. For specialized manufacturing, standard off-the-shelf tools often force you to compromise on your process. Nobody wants that. Evergreen actually designs and manufactures specific inserts, like face grooving cutters, single-blade T-type milling cutters, and custom boring cutters to exact customer requirements. But what's really crucial here is the tool life. These PCD tools ensure excellent processing, dimensional stability, and surface quality over thousands, even tens of thousands of pieces. That means fewer tool offsets, way less downtime, and rock-solid consistency.
Which leads perfectly into this really crucial quote from the technical specifications regarding their chamfer cutters. Removing the workpiece edge burr, chamfering can achieve the mirror effect. This is where the business case absolutely peaks. By achieving a mirror-like finish right at the initial cutting and chamfering stage, you're entirely eliminating the need for those costly manual rework and secondary polishing processes we discussed at the very beginning. You eliminate the bottleneck completely because the part comes off the machine effectively finished.
Part 4. Lean supply chain assurance, tool availability.
Look, Operations executives know that a tool is only as good as its availability on the floor. Here we see Evergreen's enterprise-grade capability in action. They don't just offer one or two specialty items. They provide a massive, comprehensive tooling portfolio. We're talking solid carbide end mills, high-performance drills, advanced PCBN and threading inserts, precision face milling tools, rotary burrs, plus all those non-standard custom tools we just went over. It's a true one-stop inventory designed specifically to keep mechanical manufacturing lines uninterrupted. And get this, backed by this massive inventory, most standard orders are processed and ready for global shipment within a strict 24 to 48-hour window.
So the crucial point with this versatile insert portfolio is this: vendor consolidation. Having a single, authoritative supplier for this sheer breadth of precision tools acts as a structural defense against supply chain disruptions. Instead of juggling dozens of different suppliers for your turning, milling, and drilling operations, partnering with a comprehensive manufacturer like Evergreen secures a robust, high-efficiency machining supply chain for your global operations. You simplify procurement, you absolutely guarantee compatibility, and you drastically reduce the risk of stockouts.
Part 5. Strategic Partnership. Optimize your supply chain.
For the purchasing directors and technical leaders tuning into this explainer, the directive is clear. It is time to upgrade your tooling infrastructure and consolidate your supply chain with a partner capable of meeting elite industrial demands. I highly recommend you explore the full, comprehensive range of precision carbide solutions and enterprise partnerships available right now on their website at www.evergreencarbide.com.
I want to leave you with one final provocative thought to consider for your own factory floors. Is your enterprise ready to finally eliminate finishing bottlenecks and secure maximum manufacturing throughput? The technology, the material science, and the supply chain infrastructure are all right there. The only step left is for your enterprise to take action and optimize your operations. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and here's to maximizing your factory's true efficiency potential.